My name is Matthew Cohen with Brown Harris Stevens, and welcome to my newest development. Let's take a look. Located in the heart of Nomad, 128 is perfectly positioned amongst the best restaurants, bars, hotels, really anything you can think of. But if you're an introvert like me, there's nothing like some silence. And you can attribute that to our sound attenuating windows, which really is just a big word for no noise whatsoever. The building has two bedroom lines. Here in the A line, the focal point of the apartment is our kitchen, comprised of polyform cabinetry, terrazzo floors, Miele appliances, and induction stovetop. And do you see how big this island is? I mean, perfect for entertaining with friends or just honestly laying down on it. Here at 128, all of our residences have bedrooms that face south with balconies. So here you have a balcony, and here you have a balcony. I love this bathroom. Ooh. And if you're an OCD germaphobe like me, you will love the fact that all the units in the building have a high efficiency central air and humidifying system for the cleanest air in New York City, as well as a water filtration system. Ooh, filtered. The amenities of our wonderful building include a full-time virtual doorman, storage deeded with every apartment, and this, a beautiful Zen roof deck with direct views of my friend the Chrysler building behind me.